Hot dogs, bacon, chicken nuggets. They're on millions of plates every single day in the US. But what if the thing keeping them fresh is also linked to cancer, cell mutation, and organ damage? This isn't some fringe theory. It's backed by real science. And yet, the food industry doesn't want you to know. The ingredient is called sodium nitrite. It's a synthetic preservative used in processed meats. And while multiple countries have banned or restricted it, the United States still allows it, without any warning label. So why are we still eating it? Let's break it down. Sodium nitrite is added to meats to extend shelf life, kill bacteria like botulism, and enhance color. That vibrant red or pink you see in hot dogs, ham, bacon, that's sodium nitrite at work, creating the illusion of freshness. But there's a hidden cost. When heated, like when you fry, grill, or microwave these foods, nitrite can transform into nitrosamines. And nitrosamines are highly carcinogenic. They've been shown to cause tumors in the pancreas, colon, and liver, at least in lab animals. And here's the kicker. Nitrosamines form inside your body after you eat. This isn't speculation. This is scientific fact. In 2015, the World Health Organization classified processed meats containing sodium nitrite as Group 1 carcinogens, the same group as asbestos, plutonium, and tobacco smoke. A massive meta-analysis found that every 50 g of processed meat eaten daily increases the risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. Even small, daily portions, like one strip of bacon or a few slices of ham, compound the risk over time. It's a slow burn, but a dangerous one. Let's look beyond the US. Norway banned sodium nitrite as early as the 1970s. Germany and Austria enforce strict limitations and encourage nitrite-free alternatives. The European Union mandates maximum levels and labeling warnings. Even Japan, which once permitted it widely, has started restricting its use, after studies revealed DNA-altering effects in animals. So why hasn't the US followed suit? The FDA continues to list sodium nitrite as generally recognized as safe, under specific conditions. It claims that the average consumer ingests low enough quantities to avoid harm. But here's the problem. That average doesn't exist. People aren't just eating bacon. They're eating bacon at breakfast, nuggets for lunch, pepperoni for dinner, plus processed meats in snacks and sandwiches. A 2020 study by the Environmental Working Group found that nitrites are present in over 70% of lunch meats sold in US grocery stores. Cumulative exposure isn't theoretical, it's real. So why haven't big food brands changed? 3 reasons. It works. Sodium nitrite kills bacteria and prevents spoilage. It looks good. Meats with nitrite look fresh longer. It's cheap, way cheaper than natural alternatives. If they swapped it for celery juice, extract, or other nitrate-free curing, they'd lose shelf life and profits. And let's not forget the marketing game. Some brands now use terms like uncured or natural, but still add natural nitrites that behave the same way in the body. The label looks cleaner. The danger stays the same. Sodium nitrite doesn't just show up in bacon and ham. It's also in deli meats, beef jerky, bologna, corned beef, sausages, pepperoni, and even some canned meats. And the scariest part? Most consumers never read the fine print. Even foods labeled all natural can legally contain nitrites. Meanwhile, kids are eating this daily in school lunches, and parents are serving it thinking it's just protein. Here's what you can do right now. Check the label. Avoid anything with sodium nitrite or sodium nitrate. Look for nitrate-free or uncured, but still read the fine print. Reduce frequency. Processed meats should be an exception, not a staple. Support brands that use natural preservation. They exist, and they're growing. This isn't about fear. It's about informed choices. You don't need to quit everything. You just need to know what you're eating. This is the kind of ingredient that hides in plain sight. Cheap to make, easy to sell, but the science speaks loud and clear. Sodium nitrite may keep your food safe, but what is it doing to your body? This is BioTruths, where we expose the science the food industry buries. Subscribe now. Share this with someone who eats lunch meat every day. And check your labels, because your lunch shouldn't be a gamble. And the truth is power. And now you know.